Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Today I will show you how to deactivate your Pinterest account easily. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the menu icon at the top left. Now tap on Account Management. Here you will see the option to deactivate your account. Tap Deactivate Account. Enter your account password if required. Then confirm by tapping Deactivate or Continue. Your Pinterest account is now temporarily deactivated. You can reactivate it anytime by logging in again. If you want to deactivate on PC, open Pinterest in your browser. Click on your profile icon and go to Settings. Then follow the same steps under Account Management. Remember, deactivation is temporary. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.